Today we will learn how to fetch data on the left side of our lookup value using Vlookup and choose function. So let's get started. Vlookup, lookup value and table array. In this case we cannot select the table because the lookup value should be in first column, but here it is in third column. So we will create a virtual table using choose function, choose, choose the curly brackets 1, 2, 3, and for value 1 we will provide the employee code in 1 and log the cells. For value 2 we will use name, as we need name in the second column. For value 3 I will use the states and same log the reference. Now we have a virtual table here and I want name here, so I will select second because I have used name as second in the virtual table. So 2 comma 0, enter. So you can see it is working and you can find the names. Similarly you can find state here, only you have to modify the formula. Let's suppose I am going to copy this, so I have to log the reference first, A3, and copy paste, and just only change the number of column, that is 3 for state to NCR. So as you can see, as I change the employee code, detail will be changed.
Please like and subscribe this channel for more videos.